My name's Lewis Hickett and I'm the Premier League Kicks Manager at Burnley Football Club in the community. Today we've got an 8-team tournament for young people from the Kicks programme from across the North West. We've brought together the clubs today to play a big football tournament as well as take part in 3 educational workshops from wheelchair basketball to neurodiversity awareness, as well as an interactive jiu-jitsu workshop as well.
So I've never played wheelchair basketball before. I've never even been in a wheelchair in my life, but I think it's quite enjoyable. It's not an easy sport, and I think it's good for a lot of people to try out. I definitely recommend it. It's a lot of fun, and it's good fun and laughter with your friends. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Lottie. I am the Relationship Manager at Milk Education, and today I'm here to support the young people in the community, to help them fight stigmas as well, and just support Burnley FC in the community. And we brought these amazing eco-friendly goodie bags as well for all the players and the staff. We're excited to present the trophy as well to the winners. Amazing football tournament going on, 8 teams playing today. It's going to be really, really positive.
I think this tournament is a good opportunity for everyone to meet together, get to show what they can do, and also meet new people from different areas. It's a good challenge for everyone in North West as well, and it's a lot of fun. So yeah, I enjoy it a lot.